Ooh, can I tell you something that happens? I have a list of video ideas that I'm like, yeah, I've definitely got to try and make that. And then before I start filming, I go to the gym, a track comes on and I'm like, nope, game change plans, we're switching. I was gonna do an Odile Tyler Afrobeats track today, and then Doechii came on with the Boom Bap, Denial is a River. It was crazy. And I'm like, how have I not tried this before? I never have. So that's what we're gonna do today. Doechii, Lil Sims, crazy Boom Bap. You know how it is. Never done it before, but we're gonna get into it. Let's go. And as you guys know, if you want to get all the sounds that I'm using, some of my favorite kits, presets and packs that I've got on the left side of my screen, check out the Sound Vault, second link in the description. It's free and it's just all the links to all my favorite kits that I'm using in 2025. I keep it updated, so if you want to grab any of the sounds, get the same sounds as me, check it out. All right, let's get into it. So I think you should be proud of me. This is a new genre for me, really. I actually did a little bit of research, a little bit of digging into it. We're gonna start with like a splice sample. Oh wow, baby, I don't wanna do you wrong. That's crazy. Yeah, that's the one. Let's drag it in, and we're probably gonna want it at that kind of 80, 90 tempo. Let's put it at 160. Let's maybe pitch it down a little bit, get some interesting sounds out of it. Oh. That's fire. I'm gonna duplicate that, bounce the track in place. So I've got that cassette kind of built into it now. That's like the main sound. I'm gonna create a new track, load in my Simpler, which is my Ableton sampler. Let's cut it by beats and see if we can't find some cool chops that I like. Warp by... Hey! Okay, that beat for sure. Instead of one bar, let's try half bar. Just trying to find the chops that I like. I love this one. And then I think I've got some chops that I really like, but the way to really make it work is we switch from trigger, which plays the whole length of the sample, to gate, which means it's only going to play while I'm holding a note. Hey, 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 hey. It's too slow. It's too slow. It's too slow. Let's go 90 BPM and double up the tempo. Okay, let's get that recorded in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey. When you've got it on gate, you have to be really thoughtful about where the notes end as well as where they start. So and I actually want it, so I'm gonna shorten up the grid here, and this needs to come up to the 30-second line if I want it to just feel super in sync. Hey, 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 yeah, you could tell I'm having fun with this genre. This is cool. So we've got a couple options here. I didn't really check any kits, but Ableton's got this Boom Bap kind of one ready to go on lock. Let's double the length of this. Whoops, other way around. 3, 4. Woo! That's crazy. Hold on. That's crazy. I messed up the beginning a little bit, but I actually got the swing of it a little bit. I don't want to lose that natural swing that I had on the... Oh, it feels so out to me. Let's try that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's super cool. So what we can do with this is if I remember correctly, if I come to this, this is just a fancy drum rack, right? And we're going to extract the chain so that it's on its own track. This hi-hat, it needs to be in the same place as well. So I can extract the chain for that. Yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this hi-hat open, Command C, and put it right on my, and we may need to set our choke points again. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, that's crazy, that's crazy, that's crazy. Yeah, I like this. We're gonna go for my, I forget what pack it's in, but it's part of my R&B Ultimate Suite bass presets. When I want a preset that's like just super versatile, doesn't take up too much of its own space with too much of its own character, but just sits really well, this is what I go for. If you guys want to learn exactly how I do all of this, if you want to find your own sound, pick up genres just like your favorite artist and start making incredible music and get your art out there, check out the R&B Academy. That is where I'm teaching guys exactly how to level up their music productions. That'll be the first link in the description. You can book a free call with me to chat about it a little bit more. And when I'm trying to figure out my bass notes, I like to play them high so I can hear them, and then once they're done, I drop them down the octave. B, A, F sharp, F sharp. 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 2, 3. Drop it up and break it down. 3, 4. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. But it could work. It could work if I take some of these out. If I take these out. Hold up, it goes like this. Take this out. Yeah. And then we've got a place to go on quite a simple beat. That's crazy. That's so much fun. That's the verse. Oh, little scratch disc thing. Little scratch disc, and I'm gonna get a whole bunch of one shots. That's what I want. I want lots of different tones that I can play with. I'm gonna bring this in, pick up another simpler, and let's put this in and use the exact same technique. You know, let's warp it, slice it. We want the slices to be beat, and yeah, this one's crazy. I've got 4 favorites. One, we're just gonna play them around. Woo! Woo! Let's add a little bit of grit to it, saturation. I'm hearing a little bit more. I'm hearing some glitches, some like just different stuff happening here. Let's check out mechanical textures because this could be crazy. Definitely some vinyl. Turn this down. Yeah, a little bit of cassette noise. Yeah. I wonder if I can find a reverb, yeah, but I'll probably need to do it, won't I? Yeah! Yeah! And then we'll drop this one down an octave. Yeah! 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 Join them together, except this one's going to have some Alter Boy drive, I think. Some drive from Alter Boy. Because I think I want that one to be the main one more. Perfect. And let's put it on some nice divisions. So I'm going to have one on the 2. That's cool. That's like, the main one is the 2. So I'm going to turn these ones down. Perfect. We want it really bright and really shiny. That's where I reach for OTT. Woo! Yeah, 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 yeah. And let's have everything cut there. So just the whole track breathes. Oh, it's half that. It's half that. It's this length. And it comes back in on the snare. Woo! Yeah, yeah, yeah. So this chord that we jump up to here on this sample, that needs to show up in the bass line for this section to work. So instead of going to the G sharp and playing this note, we're gonna play B. And that's my chorus. Woo! So exact same cut right here. And it's worth just noting that even though the section sounds super similar, that one note change means that we don't want to get them mixed up. They're not going to work together anymore. So I'm just going to make sure I don't get them mixed up. One's verse, one's very much a chorus. It doesn't have much else going on. I'm going to add a brass section, maybe. Let's go contact, see if there's any need for that. But if it gets too busy, it loses the soul, I think. I think it might end up losing the soul of it. I don't want you, be your slave. I don't want you on a day. Anyways, if we could find like a really staccato, short, stabby brass section, that'd be really, really sweet. I don't think it's maybe like any soft melody lines. We want the track to feel gritty, you know what I'm saying? I might even chuck some punch on the drums. I might, just while I'm thinking that, because there's such an imperative part. Punch, note, knock. Oh, that makes the world of difference. Wow. Wow. Yeah, so maybe we'll consider... Whoa, that was cool. How did I do that? I can't describe it, but it feels like even when I'm playing one note, it feels too happy, too major. I don't like it, guys. I'm not in love with it. I'm not in love with it. I've had another idea. That's what the idea I've had an idea for. And it already has that kind of pitch shifting effect, but I wonder what would happen if I take envelopes, gain transposition, and I have it come down towards the end of this really short note, come down loads of tones. So it really just... Wow, that's cool. And then we lead it back into this section. Yeah. We do a touch of arranging. This is like a bridge. So we've got an intro here. Add locator, intro, verse, chorus, bridge, add locator, and we take out some of the stuff. We don't give them everything yet. You don't want to give them everything right at the start. Yo, Raya freestyle off the top of the dome. Off the top of dome since I've been grown. Yeah, got the fresh wheels and they chrome. Yeah, it's whatever that I own. I take a pitch up, then it gets thrown out of the whole pitch. Yeah, I just be digging in the ditch. Yeah, and making money like I wanna. Every time I show you how, you just gonna copy me, gonna make it real easy. When I say what I'm doing, I'm in super easy. I can't rap, I don't know what I'm saying. Yo. Yeah. Yo, run it back. Let me tell them about. Woo! Yeah. Never hold back when I go crazy. I got money, I ain't never been lazy. I forgot to put this in the chorus, but somehow it works. Then we add the stabs back in. This is crazy, throw it in the bin. I'm just kidding, this might get a Grammy. If it's crazy, then it gets whammy. I can't rap, but that was fun. Oh wow. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Leave a comment below on what video you want me to try and make next. And if you guys want to see how I make my Clio, Soul, Hiatus, Coyote type beats, check this video right here.